Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal, Nathan Man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a recycling bin holder. Alrighty, guys, here we go. How to build a recycling bin holder with your good old pal, Nathan Man. Here we go. So, guys, you can see I'm just fiddling around over here, just cutting some wood. Really, this is one of the most simplest builds I think I've ever had. All it is a 2x4 cut at 16 inches and a fence board cut at 16 inches. First thing you do is get the 2x4 on first, then get the fence board on over top, and then you're going to do the exact same thing below it. It's that simple. Make sure you get into some studs. You can tuck the recycling bin up and under. It sits and rests perfectly. Looks too darn good. Oh man, that looks awesome. Well there, guys, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, please leave a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Please subscribe for more, guys, and hit that bell. Hope you guys have all had an awesome time watching this video, and I hope that you all have a awesome day wherever you are in the world. I will see you all next Wednesday.